Let me show you the rest of the house. Come. This space can fit in an 85-inch television. This is a masterpiece. Look at this. Much more better, isn't it? Here we have our master bedroom. Come have a look at the bathroom. Finally, exactly the way I wanted it to be. So yes, the apartment is now ready. So let me show you the rest of the house. Come. Hi, welcome back. So we are halfway through the apartment. Let's go in and talk a little bit more what we have done so far. Come on in. Okay, so check this out. We got the wall redesigned. The skeleton is there. Need to fill it up and fix up the whole idea with the LED lights and a bit of cupboards. We got the false ceiling done. And that's already in place as well. Need some finishing touch of that. I mean, I'm excited about all of these things, but the things that I'm really excited about, let me show you these. Check them out. The ceiling over here, they carved it through because we're going to put in LED lights over here just to get an extra, linear effect to it. The kitchen was completely taken out. I'm so happy that they took out everything. I asked them to take out everything. All the cupboards are gone, everything is gone. So we got the new white woodwork over here done. We increased the space of the stove. It was 60, now it is 90. So you can have a proper 6-burner oven over here. Plus, we made some space for a dishwasher. So yeah, you're gonna get a dishwasher, which is very rare to find in this area in JVC, where you can find an apartment with a closed kitchen with 90 by 30 size over here for the stove, and plus a dishwasher along with it. What are we doing with the walls, which is pending over here, is that the walls are going to be changed as well. They'll have marble finish, more of milky white kind of finish. The floor remains the same, and we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, we added more skylights over here. This is the guest toilet. We completely took this out as well. Again, I'm super happy. I really like the whole combination of the gray and light gray and dark gray going through it. We got some surprises what color of the basin is going to be over here and the toilet. I'm not going to reveal it yet. You have to wait for it. And again, the next bathroom. Again, we took it all apart. There was a bathtub over here. We took it all apart. Did this really cool panel that we got, from Pinterest. It's really nice. Check this out. I really love it. The sink really goes well with the floor. We tried to salvage the floor over here. Didn't want to waste all of our money in just renovating the tiles of it. In this bedroom, there isn't much we had to do. So we took off the paint wallpaper. We're gonna do the paint. The ceiling is already painted. That's good. There was a water leakage mark. We investigated. It's done. So there's no more leakage over here. Just required some paint. We did that. And the woodwork, of course, needs some polishing. Now let's go to the master bedroom. All of this is going to be polished. Master bedroom, we're doing another wall over here. A panel wall with LEDs around with it, along with the false ceiling on top. It's going to look really, really sick. I can't wait for this. And then the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we did the same thing again. Come. So we had the bathtub. We salvaged the bathtub because the bathtub is still in good mint condition. Yeah. And the shower cube is going to stay there as well. We're going to get the whole glass partition. We're going to come up over here with the twin sinks. Really cool idea. The whole idea is to go through black, a bit of gray, a bit of light gray. And to complement the floor, we'll have the basins in the same tone. So yeah, everything is going to be new over here. Let's see how it's going to look at the end. Oh yeah, let's go out. I want to show you the balcony as well, not to miss. Come. The whole balcony is a bit mess right now, as you can see. But what's happening right now is that they took out the plastic greenery that we had, the artificial green on top of it, on the ganola. And they're going to paint the whole ganola. And after that, they're going to paint the wall over here as well. Come. Show them this. There was a leakage over here as well that we investigated, figured out that it's already fixed. It's just the watermarks from before. For that, we need to clear it up and repaint it. And of course, the whole ganola. You can see the clear difference over here. So this is the polished side of it, and this is not the polished side of it. So you can see the clear difference. I'm really happy that we have all of them all together like that. So yeah, overall, the apartment, I don't think is more than maybe 10 days away. Technically speaking, it's a week's time more left, but I say, okay, given the Ramadan timing, short working hours and everything else, shouldn't be more than 10 days time. So hopefully by 10th of April max, we should come back again and do another video and show you how with the final look of the apartment. We're not selling the apartment yet. We will not sell it eventually. We're going to keep it until the apartment is 100% completed, because I just want to make sure that everybody experiences the whole feel of it, that how it was, how it is going, and what it's going to be look like at the final stage, so that whoever buys it gets the whole feel of it. All right, cool. I think that's pretty much it, and voila. Thanks. See you in the next one. Okay, so the apartment is finally ready, and I can't wait to show you. Come. So, As promised, my baby is ready. Exactly as I wanted it to be. Check out this wall. So what we did, we got the woodwork on a quarter of the wall, elevated this wall. This space can fit in an 85-inch television easily. Check out the false ceiling. We added the false ceilings, added some light to it. It never gets old. Let me show you the rest of the house. Come. This is a masterpiece. I don't know why, but I take immense pleasure in this. We got the linear lights running through, the white color LEDs in the passage that leads into the kitchen, guest toilet, and the master bedroom and the secondary bedroom. Come in. We changed the whole kitchen. White covers all the way, extended the space for the stove. It was for a 4-burner, we extended to a 6-burner because that's only fair. I installed a new hub over here. Of course, everything else is also brand new. We got a compartment, special compartment for dishwasher, and the washing machine right over here. Look at this, much more better, isn't it? Come, check this toilet out. Guest toilet, completely renovated. And now, it is of human size. Remember earlier you had to bend to wash your hands? Well, not anymore. Check out this beautiful marble. I love this. Comes in the second bedroom, the bathroom. We removed the whole bathtub from here. Added a beautiful pattern. Took the main grey natural tones along with it. Replaced this. Got it a floating one. Beautiful marble basin right over here. And my favorite mirror along with the LEDs. In the bedrooms we didn't do much because it didn't require much. There was a water leakage issue right over there. We fixed that, painted it up. Wood is all polished. Removed the wallpaper from the walls. And then here we have our master bedroom. Elevated the walls, got the LEDs behind them. False ceiling done with LEDs as well. Come have a look at the bathroom. So yeah, finally exactly the way I wanted it to be. We kept the bathtub, added more tiles around with it. Changed the walls, all of them. Got them into grey mid-tone. Got one basin instead of two because it just makes more sense. You have more space to put your stuff around. Got an elevated shelf over here to keep more stuff around over here. The shower remains the same. Earlier it was turned into a storage space. Now we gave the dignity of having it as a shower, and the toilet seat remains right over there. So yes, the apartment is now ready. We started receiving offers for the apartment while we were doing the renovation works. But we said, no, we're not going to sell it until the apartment is completed and we give the full experience to everyone to see the whole transition. So, this property is up for sale, ready for its new homeowner. If you want to know more about it, you can give me a call and then we can talk more about it. Okay? Until then, ciao.